Today's manna. Cain and Abel showing the way to worship God. Bible verses. Genesis 4:4. And Abel also brought an offering from the firstlings of his flock, that is, from their fat portions. And Jehovah had regard for Abel and for his offering. Hebrew 11:4. By faith Abel offered to God a more excellent sacrifice than Cain, through which he obtained the testimony that he was righteous, God testifying to his gifts. Words of ministry. Abel did not present his sacrifice according to his concept, thought, or way, but according to God's way of salvation. He worshipped God according to his revelation. Unlike Cain, Abel presented the firstlings of his flock, which probably were lambs. When he offered the fat, the sacrifice was killed and the blood was shed, for without killing it would have been impossible to have the fat to present to God. Abel realized that he needed an offering with the shedding of blood. He knew that he had been born of fallen parents and that he was evil, sinful, and polluted in the eyes of God. Thus, he offered some firstlings of his flock, shedding the blood for his redemption and burning the fat for God's satisfaction. He undoubtedly did this according to the instruction of his parents. What Abel did corresponded exactly to the requirements of the Mosaic law which was given later. This proves that his way of worshipping God was according to God's divine revelation, and not according to his concept. According to Numbers 18:17, the firstling of a cow or sheep, a type of Christ, could not be eaten by the Israelites, it had to be offered to God. Hence, in typology, Abel offered Christ to God. We need the blood of Christ to cleanse us, and we need Christ himself to cover us that we may be accepted by God and that we may satisfy him. Amen.